Hi everyone! Welcome back to our English learning channel. In today's lesson, you'll learn what to say when you don't understand someone. These simple expressions will help you speak more confidently and improve your everyday English. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and notice how the sentences flow naturally. Let's begin. Let's start with our first scene. This scene takes place at school, between a teacher and a student.
Today we're going to talk about homework rules. Homework is due on Friday.
Sorry, I didn't understand. Could you say that again, please?
Of course, homework is due on Friday.
Thank you. What does due mean?
Good question. Due means the day you must give it to me.
Oh, I see. So I give you my homework on Friday?
Yes, exactly.
One more question, please. Should we give it to you on Friday morning or Friday afternoon?
You can give it to me anytime on Friday.
Okay, thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. Asking questions is always okay.
When you don't understand, it's okay to ask questions. You can ask someone to repeat, explain a word, or give more details. In this next scene, we are at a café. You'll hear a conversation between a cashier and a customer.
Would you like that iced or blended?
I'm sorry, what does blended mean?
It means mixed with ice in a blender, like a smoothie.
Oh, I see. Thanks for explaining. I'll take it iced, please.
When you hear unfamiliar words, you can ask, "What does that mean?" Or, "Can you explain in another way?" These phrases help keep the conversation friendly and clear. In this next scene, Sarah is talking to a friend and asks for help when she doesn't understand a word.
The movie was kind of overrated. I expected more.
Overrated? I don't understand that word.
It means people think it's better than it really is.
So you mean it looked popular but wasn't really that good?
Exactly. Now you understand.
Yes, that makes sense now. Thanks.
Notice Sarah confirmed her understanding with, "So you mean?" This is a great way to check if you understood correctly. In this next scene, a manager is talking with an employee at work.
We will implement a new strategy next month.
Sorry, what does implement mean in this context?
It means we will start using it or applying it.
I see. And what exactly will change?
Good question. We will change our marketing approach.
So you mean we will promote differently?
Yes, exactly.
That makes sense now. Thank you.
In professional situations, it is important to ask for clarity politely. This shows that you are serious and want to understand correctly. In this next scene, Sarah is planning a trip and asks questions to understand new words.
We need to finalize the itinerary.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you repeat it more slowly?
We need to finalize the itinerary for our trip.
What do you mean by finalize?
It means complete or finish.
So you mean we need to make the final plan?
Yes.
Got it now. Thanks for explaining.
Notice how Sarah asked what the word meant and then repeated the idea in her own words. This is a great way to confirm your understanding and keep the conversation going. In this next scene, a patient is talking to a doctor and asking questions when she doesn't understand.
You should take this medicine twice a day.
Sorry, I didn't quite understand. What does twice a day mean?
It means 2 times a day, once in the morning and once at night.
Okay, thank you. And should I take it before or after meals?
After meals.
So you mean I should take it after breakfast and after dinner?
Yes, exactly.
Got it now. Thank you for explaining.
Notice how the patient asked for clarification and then repeats the information to confirm her understanding. This helps avoid mistakes and makes communication clearer. In this next scene, a customer is shopping at a store and talking to a cashier. He hears a word he doesn't understand and politely asks for clarification.
This item is on sale, but it's final sale.
Sorry, what does final sale mean?
It means you can't return or exchange it later.
Oh, I see. So I can't bring it back if I change my mind?
That's right.
Got it. Thank you for explaining.
Notice how the customer asked what the word meant and then repeated the idea in his own words to confirm his understanding. In this next scene, the conversation is at the airport between an airport staff member and a traveler.
Your gate has changed. Please go to gate 32B.
Sorry, I didn't understand. Which gate did you say?
Gate 32B near the food court.
Oh, okay. So you mean the gate near the restaurants?
Yes, that's right.
Thank you for explaining.
Notice how the traveler asks for clarification and then confirms understanding. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this English learning video and feel more confident asking questions when you don't understand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more English learning videos. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.